Determine the equation of the line passing through the point -3, 5 and is perpendicular to another line which is formed by joining the points 2, 5 and -3, 6. Let us begin. Let's say we have 2 points. Point A has the coordinates 2, 5 and point B having the coordinates -3, 6. We are going to join point A and point B. We'll consider another point C. C, let's say, has the coordinates -3, 5 and we're going to drop a perpendicular from point C on AB. Fine. Let's say this particular line is called CD and it intersects AB at the point E. Now, this is perpendicular. C is perpendicular to AB. So our goal will be to determine the equation of line CD. Equation of CD. That's what we need to find. Now, in order to find out the equation of a line, we're going to use what is known as the point slope form, which is given by y minus y1 equals to the slope multiplied to x minus x1. Now that means a line which passes through one point having coordinate x1, y1 and having a slope equals to m, then we can use this particular equation to define its equation. Okay, let us begin. So first what we'll do, we'll find out the slope of line AB. The slope of line AB, which we are going to denote by the letter m1, this is going to be given by the difference of the y coordinate y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So here, if we suppose that b corresponds to x2 y2 and a corresponds to x1 y1, so our numerator will give us 6 minus 5. That's the difference of the y coordinate. And since we started out with b, we'll again start with the x coordinate of b. So that's -3. From here, we're going to subtract 2. So we get 1 over -5, or the slope m1 comes out to be -1 over 5. Now let the slope of line CD, let this be given by m2. Now we know for a fact that whenever two lines are perpendicular to each other, then the product of their slope must be equals to -1. Now that we have obtained the value of m1, which is -1 over 5, so we multiply it with m2 to get -1, which means that solving for m2, we get the value +5, which means that the slope of line CD, that's going to be +5. Now we have the line CD. It has a slope of 5 and it passes through one point -3, 5. So what we can do, we can substitute this value into our point slope form equation to obtain the equation of line CD. So let's do that. So equation of line CD, so that will be y minus y1. So here y1 corresponds to the y coordinate of point C, so that's going to be 5. This will be equals to the slope, which is 5, multiplied to it will be x minus x1. Now this will be x1, which will be -3. So we have x minus -3, that means x plus 3. That gives us y minus 5 equals to 5x plus 15. So let's rearrange the terms. So we get 5x minus y plus 20 equals to 0. So this is going to be the required equation of the line which passes through the point -3, 5 and is perpendicular to the line formed by joining 2, 5 and -3, 6.